You might remember our next guest from the Yum Yuck crew, 6-year-old James, a curious kid. He has a concerning medical question of his own.
Hi, doctors. I have a very important question for you. Is it true if you sneeze with your eyes open, your eyes will pop out? I don't want that to happen to me. What shall I do?
You know, it is so cute. And growing up,
James is scared.
It is, and I think as a kid I may have heard this too, because we're taught not to hold our sneezes in, which in fact is a good thing. Don't hold your sneezes in, but obviously don't sneeze on somebody else. Turn away,
cover up,
block it. Exactly. But you know, a couple wives' tales that are out there that we need to debunk. Number one, if you try to keep your eyes open when you sneeze, that helps to keep from blowing your eyeballs out. Well, you can't do it because it's a natural reflex. When you sneeze, you're gonna close your eyes. So forget that. Number two, your heart does not stop when you sneeze. Have you heard that too? Yeah, well, no, your heart does not stop. It keeps pumping right on through that sneeze. And then finally, you're not gonna blow your eyeballs out. Yes, if you hold a sneeze in, you can actually build up pressure in the back of your nasal cavity, can go down to the throat, can pop your ears a little bit, can get into the sinuses. Yes, you can pop some blood vessels in your eyes by holding in a sneeze, but you're not going to pop your eyeballs out. Sneezes are a natural reflex. It's the body trying to get rid of something that's irritating the nasal cavity, something you breathed in, foreign body, whatever. So
let that bad boy out.
Yes, sir.
Let that irritation, let it out into your arm, preferably not into my face.